6 more times, I have to tell you. Let's get into Darren Beck, who's checking our weather forecast.
Pie in the face, no shame. Why not? So, up to this point, we've been having an average winter. Snowpack's at 100% of average. We've had some decent rain come through the valley. It's felt really good, and it's felt more than average because the last 4 winters have been so terrible. But so far, it's just been average. And what I've been saying about the coming week and the series of storms heading our way is that this looks like El Nino. And I haven't done that with any of the other stuff that's come in so far this year. So, if you've ever wondered what El Nino looks like, let me show you. We're going to go back to a retrospective. Take a look at what the satellite looked like going back to January of 1998. That was the last El Nino. And we had a very telltale pattern that set up across the Pacific. See where we are? Here's California on the west coast. There's Baja California. This is the Pacific Ocean out here. There's Hawaii. Go ahead and hit play. Keep your eye on the dates up here. It says January 15th, 1998. We're going to play through the months of January and February. And you start to notice a pattern here. Screaming across the Pacific, storm after storm comes in at California's latitude and comes straight across the Pacific. None of this up and down, none of this deep trough and ridges and barriers to go around. There's nothing in between California and this train of storms that's following a straight line right across the Pacific for us, and they lined up. We just played through a month, and it was storm after storm going into January and February. Let me show you what the pattern looks like today. We've got one storm coming on shore this morning with a little bit of rain, but if we look at the wide view, there are 2 others that are lined up out here going into Tuesday and Wednesday. And it's not just that the storms are lining up out here. They're also tapping into the moisture that's coming up from the subtropics. Take a look at, here's Hawaii again, there's the Pacific, all the water vapor in the atmosphere down here along the equator, and every once in a while, a little river gets pulled up and pointed at the coast of California. And they're getting pointed at us because they're getting pulled up into those storms. This is El Nino. This is what it looks like. That is the classic pattern. And as a result, take a look at the next 3 days. We've got today's rain, which is, moderate at 2/10 of an inch of rain. Then we've got tomorrow's, which is 3/4 of an inch. That's a good rainmaker. And the time on that is morning rain. So but from about 1 a.m. through about 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, that's when we're going to get the best of this rain. But you can see in the 7-day forecast, that storm is just one of several. That third storm gets here on Wednesday. And Wednesday, pretty much through the morning again, from 6 a.m. into the early afternoon, we're going to get about another 4/10 of an inch of rain, followed by more rain on Thursday. The only day on here where we're going to get a break is Friday. I'll see you with more on this coming up on the other side of 10 o'clock, guys. Back to you.
All right, Darren, thanks.